Hey guys, it's Natasha and welcome back to Animal Amazement. Today, on the first episode of season 2, I'm talking about octopuses, or octopi. I'll be using the term octopuses because that is technically the grammatically correct term. And this is a little octopus that I made a while back when I found out how awesome they were. It's technically a coconut octopus because it's using the shell as a little house, and coconut octopuses like to take two halves of a coconut and then put them together as little homes to hide in. Octopuses are super amazing creatures because they're the closest thing we have to aliens. Our last common ancestor was probably a flatworm type creature, which means that octopuses develop their eyes, their limbs, their brains, their intelligence and sentience completely separately from humans. An octopus's body is made up of the mantle, which houses the brain and all the vital organs, and 8 limbs. Some people call these tentacles, but they're actually arms, and they house about 2/3 of the animal's neurons, which means that each arm kind of has a mind of its own, which makes octopuses really good at multitasking. Some arms could be busy opening up jars and bottles and problem solving, while the rest of the octopus is off doing something completely different. A severed octopus arm can even react to stimuli, kind of like it's its own little being. An octopus's arms can touch, taste, and smell an object, and its skin has the same light-sensitive proteins that are found in the octopus's eyes, which means that its skin can sense and react to light without any input from the brain. Octopuses are invertebrates, so they don't have skeletons, and they can squeeze into really tiny spaces, which makes them great escape artists. They are the world's smartest invertebrates and the only ones known to use tools. Like I mentioned earlier, they use coconut shells as homes. They sometimes stack them up and carry them around. They also collect shells to build fortresses and to create little gardens around their dens and for protection against predators. And they use rocks as doors to their dens. One octopus in an aquarium in New Zealand has learned how to use a camera to take pictures of visitors. Octopuses learn from experience and observation, and they have really great short and long-term memories. They can distinguish between shapes, patterns, and even people. They often squirt water at people and objects that they don't like. Octopuses can also play with toys, which is a sign of high intelligence. One octopus liked to push a water bottle into a stream of water that was in his tank over and over again, kind of like bouncing a ball underwater. So octopuses in captivity can often become very bored because they need a lot of stimulation because they're so intelligent. One well-known octopus trait is its ability to change its color and shape to match its surroundings or to mimic more dangerous animals. An octopus can change its entire appearance in just 0.3 of a second. But interestingly enough, octopuses are colorblind. They might not even be aware that they're changing color. Octopuses are mostly solitary, but scientists have found 2 underwater octopus cities. In these cities, each octopus has its own den, and they communicate with each other, they sometimes fight, and they can even get evicted. The craziest fact about octopuses is that they can alter their own genetic codes by editing their RNA. They use this to adapt to their environments, to see better in the dark, or to be more tolerant of cold temperatures. Unfortunately, despite their high intelligence, octopuses live very short lives. Depending on the species, an octopus can live anywhere from 6 months to 5 years, with larger octopuses living a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed learning about these crazy alien creatures. If you like this video, please give it a like and tune in next week for another Animal Amazement video.